Hi, I'm Steve from Amtech, and today I'm going to be talking about our 18-inch tool caddy, the NO545. Let's take a closer look at the NO545, which is our heavy-duty 18-inch 450mm model. With its open structure, it makes for quick and easy access. If I just shine a torch in there, you should be able to see the 5 pockets inside, and it's very, very deep. It also has 13 pockets on the outside, including one with a Velcro for all your attachments and drill bits, and of course it has the clip for your tape measure. On the base you have 5 feet, allowing you to keep your tool caddy off of the dirty or damp floor. On the top you have the 2 Velcro straps, allowing you to easily attach your spirit levels. Inside, as well as the 5 pockets for safe storage of items, you also have 8 straps for your screwdrivers to be put into. 4 at each end. Storage of larger items easily fit in the base. There is a long pocket with a clip lock which allows you to store long items where you might normally have trouble with. The caddy comes with a strong steel handle with comfort grip, as well as a padded shoulder strap. Overall dimensions are 450mm by 250 by 280. The NO545 is a great heavy duty tool caddy for the more experienced DIYer, plumbers, electricians and anyone with a few more tools to put away. The tool caddy saves time, you losing or misplacing your tools and leaving them ready for the next time you need them. Thanks for watching the video on the NO545. If it's a little bit too big for your needs, why not watch our video on the NO541? It's little brother.